Good evening, my lovely students. It's Miss Herrera here, and I'm going to show you how to create your own song using Flocabulary today. So, Flocabulary is your learning program that helps you learn different concepts with educational hip-hop videos. And you are going to go ahead and create your own hip-hop video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. The first thing that you're going to do is obviously watch the video. So this week we're talking about planets in our science class, and I want you to watch this video. Down here, you can see that there are lyrics that you can use to follow along with the video. Okay, so you click on it and you watch the entire video.
Let's get celestial on it. We're gonna talk about the solar system. That's right. Yo, let's talk about our solar system. Mercury, the first planet closest.
So as you know, we're gonna watch through the entire video and then you're gonna go ahead and create your song. So you're gonna scroll down here to where it says Lyric Lab and click on the tab. Now, as you can see, this is where you're gonna go ahead and start with your song. On the right hand side, you can see that there are words that you must use within your song. These are the words that are found within your video that you just finished watching. Now, we're going to go ahead and start with Earth. Now, if you scroll along them, you can see that a little hand pops up. Here, you can click on the word and it will give you the definition of that term. So it says the planet between Venus and Mars, the only planet where life has been found so far. So we're going to go ahead and start with Earth, okay? And we're going to write our own sentence with the word Earth. So we're going to go ahead and use Earth, capital E. Earth is our own home. Now, here you can see that Earth is highlighted in green. That is letting you know that you have already used that word and you don't have to use it again. It will also highlight itself in green right over here. So once you have written your first sentence, you must go ahead and click Get Rhymes. Now, on the bottom right-hand corner, it will show you the different rhyming words that rhyme with home. So in this case, we have comb, syndrome, tome, dome, gnome, chrome, foam, chromosome, brome, and ohm. Let's see, which one do I want to use? Let's go ahead and pick chrome. So we're going to go ahead and put a sentence that rhymes with home, and let's put the Earth is kind of like Google Chrome. Okay, then you go ahead and press next and continue writing your song using these words. Once a word has already been used, it will tell you that it is 1 out of 10 used. So once you see that it's 10 out of 10, then you are done with your song. Now, once you are done with your song, you're going to go ahead and record it using any kind of music you want. Down here, you can pick your music that you want. There are tons of options for you, and you can do any kind of song that you want. Okay? So the best thing that I can tell you is to go ahead and press this little save box that's right up here in the right hand corner and download your lyrics for your song, and you can record it using this music button down here. So let's go ahead and start using our brains for this beautiful creativity that we have, and I can't wait to see what kind of songs you bring me for your projects.